ganun din naman kayo makapagpadala kasi
Parang Pilipinas, no? Hey, both of you go to bed now. I'm not tired.
ako nawawala.
Kaya wala yung Japanese. Wait, I can't see. Are coming to see a show. There's a free show every Wednesday at Honolulu Zoo. And we're gonna have a dinner here too.
Sabi ni Manang, basta pupunta kayo dito, basta pamatayan ako ng bahay dito sa Manila. Magpagpasok siya. Mag-aapura ba?
Bridget, you wanna go to Hawaii?
Our kumari, Anita.
Hindi naman sa
Oo. Laki-laki na itinas ng gasolina. No. So, ang bata ang hindi na nilipat lang.
Pero kung dito sa Arizona ka manggaling, nag-start, mahal.
Oh, sige!
Di nga may mga pinukuha ni Manang ha.
Gitsi.
Kala mo mga 6, ang ban, yung palang tanda-tanda.
Nakamba naman ito.
Yan, gustong-gustong kunin ni Manang yan, naka-close up, matanda pala.
Look at these people in Hawaii.
Gitsi. Ang gitsi Brandon. Gitsi Brandon. Brandon kay mami, oh. Kay mami. Ako din. Relax. Wag mo akong kukunan sa sana, ha?
Hindi, si Brandon lang.
Come on. You better come. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Go drink that.
Come on, get
Say,
it.
share to your grandma that you know how to drink in a glass. Yeah, he's drinking in a glass.
Get it. No more. Good. Good, huh? Good.
In a glass.
Come on.
Yung kagagaling sa Pilipinas yun, yung naka-shorts na pumunta sa
Saan?
Yan. Bakit naman nakagani? Ah, yung bata.
Kano mo yung Bilbil.
Oh, that's for you, Eric. There's. Oh, look at that.
Punta ka lang doon sa dagat, ang dami mo siya.
Mom, you sa Pilipina ba yan? Japanese yan eh. Sa Mawaya. Japanese.
Japanese. Oh. There's a butt. He's wiping his butt. Oh, there's legs. For Eric, there.
Sinakbukan na rin yan ah.
Where are you, Brandon? Where's Brandon? Hey, Brandon. Where are you? Brandon, look at here. Look at here, Brandon. Stay. Say hi.
This is my little buddy, Brandon. He's a real cute baby, and he likes to eat everything he gets his hands on. Now you can see here, he's about to rip up my plane, but I don't give a crap. This is my little buddy. When he becomes 3, we're gonna be cool buddies. Isn't that right, Brandon? Isn't that right? Isn't that right, Brandon?
Wala naman. Beach na naman ito.
Walang mo lang mahal.
What are you eating, Brandon? What's that? See, I'm a Pedri fan.
Okay.
But my favorite player is Kevin Mitchell of San Francisco Giants.
Namumuna naman ang puso. Jesus!
But on the beaches.
see.
Nay, nawala si Chris.
It's naked.
Naked
There's
ladies on the beach.
That's my niece in Hawaii. I mean nephew.
And look.
Kung naked
Wait.
yan, linapitan
Hello?
pa ni Kilis.
Wait.
After you, I'm looking. I hadn't got to use it. I can
Alam
hold
ko nang
this.
ginawa niya. Maganda
Oh, I
na.
see.
Maraming mga...
Naano nila kung paano ang tela, no?
Kaya, kahit yung sa road. Yung punpukin.
Look at that. Japanese.
You can talk.
Correct.
Who's that?
Tingnan ni Chris yung bato.
Brandon is busy playing.
Isinip na naman ni Isinip na naman ni Mano tapos pupunta. Walang kukuha.
Are you supposed to push that button?
Sleepy now. Wanna go to bed? Bed.
Kukuha sa kanya kaya isinip niya.
Lugi na naman siya.
May ganun sa pinagtatabing park. Manag-isa siya. Itsura siya.
You wanna go to bed?
Mag-isa siya eh. Minsan nakakaya, minsan no? Parang tanga.